Morning, everybody. Good Saturday morning to you. Slept like shit again, like 2.5 hours last night. But anywho, I hope you all are off to a good weekend. Make it a good one. My brother's birthday is today. I got to say happy birthday to my brother. All right, let's go down here to setting up the YouTube as usual. Are you? Are you? I've got some exciting news, a whole bunch of exciting news. The one I can talk about is Bree and I, looks like we're heading over to St. John, St. Thomas. Very excited. Are you? Are you going to? Boop. Bippity boppity boop. All right, I think we're live on TikTok now. I know we're live on YouTube. Hope somebody's here. Hope you all having a great, fantastically great weekend. Just starting out. I know. Maybe had some fun last night. Let's see. Kinda not live. Kinda live. There we go. All right, we're on TikTok. Yay. What's up, D Nice? Damn, D Nice. I swear, sometimes you people find my stuff before I do. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Tanny B. D Nice, thank you for being both on TikTok and YouTube. I appreciate that from every one of you that does that. Thank you. Good morning, Tracy Ann Davis. Good morning, George High. Good morning, Sam I Am. Good morning, Entrepreneur for Life, or Entrepreneur Life, sorry. Good morning, Rocket. Good morning, Benny. Good morning, Larry Cooper. It's my brother's birthday today. We got some cool ass surprise. I hope he's not listening. You guys ever watch Breaking Bad? Well, if you ever watched Breaking Bad, the bald guy on there, the brother, not Bryan Cranston, the other fellow. What the hell's that guy's name? Let me see something. Breaking Bad. Are you? Let's see. Da 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 da. Him, Dean Norris. Anywho, I got him through Cameo to do kind of a roast on Mike for turning 62. It was so funny. He's fantastic. It's like a minute and a half long. Anywho, so my brother's birthday today. Take him to go see a movie. Going to take him out to dinner. And then got him a couple gifts, regular gifts. But this dude was funnier than fuck. He was ripping on Mike. Oh my God. It was so funny. Anyhow, so that's that. I guess first things first. Let me get on my oxygen. Do you call and do? We are the only in the world trading system that has a United States of America trademark, registered trademark. Somebody thought it was like pending or something. No. This is real. We're patent pending with a real registered trademark. Issue to the Safe Trade System, issue to me, and of course my wife. Only ones in the world with a class 41. What does this mean? A lot of good things, thankful to God. And it means legally enforceable in 80 countries. Hate to say it, but have to. There have been some douchebags. Well, they kind of calmed down. Anywho, yeah, we're not dealing with it. So we have an NDA on this system, and we have a trademark. So yeah, also, legal disclaimer, if you haven't noticed, we are not anyone, myself and anyone else is not a financial advisor. We're social media influencers. We have a store, actually. We should go over that. Please type yes if you understand that this this. Well, hold on, we can go this way. System is trademark protected and legally protecting. You will get your ass sued if you try to do any version of it. Next. Da, 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 da. Please type yes if you understand I'm not a financial advisor. What's up, Casey? Oh, it was so funny. Breaking Bad was awesome. What's up, Steve? Good morning, Casey. Morning, Steve. Morning, Larry. Thanks for saying yes, Larry. Thanks for saying happy birthday to him. I'll make sure he sees these. Good morning, Benny and John C. again. Good morning, Larry Cooper again. Good morning, Tanny B. Thank you for saying happy birthday to him again. Good morning, Jones 808. Good morning, Philio. Good morning, Tracy Ann Davis. Thank you for saying happy birthday to Mike again. All right. So, social media influencer. Where the fuck do I go to find my own thing? Some guy was over there. It was so funny. Hold on. Hell, I don't know. Let's just go over here. I thought it was on my website. Let's see if this is it. No, not like that. Happy birthday, Mike. That's me. Hold on one second. Are you going to the train? I can't say. I never know anything. There we go. Store. Okay, we have a store. Unbelievably good quality, a little pricey. Love my tank top. One of the people that help us out has the hoodie. Fantastic quality. I mean, this shit is thick. I think Bob and a couple of our members have these. Some of these things. They are so. There's like 200 different items here. It's not a matter of whatever. This is social media stuff. I'm an influencer. Buy some of the shit and wear it proudly. I think it's a cool fucking logo. I think it looks fantastic. Specifically, I mean, it sounds like I don't give a shit if you buy it or not. I'm just telling you that it's really good quality, and if you're proud of your system, buy it. It's so fucking cool. Anywho, that's my whole sales logo on that one. We talked about the release, so we're good there. We're going to go over the trades from yesterday. It's so fantastic. Got a lot of stuff to go over. Good morning, Kelly. All right. Does anybody have any happy things they would like to share before I get started? Does anybody have any questions they'd like to ask? Sometimes TikTok and YouTube won't show it, so you'll have to email them in. Does anybody have any comments? So if you're not happy with something, speak up. Better yet, if you're thrilled about something, speak up. Or if you have some kind of question, speak up. I'll wait a few seconds. My brother's birthday is today. Da-da, da-da. So, nobody has any questions, and nobody has any positive or negative comments to be made. Okay, cool. Boy, we have just the most craziest, exciting news ever, all the way across the board. Not only we are on time with our release of the machine gun, we're 1 week ahead, and everything's being fixed as you speak. There's one little issue with the reporting of it, but I'll show you how that is. The machine gun signals. What you're looking at right here, and we're going to go back to yesterday, I should say. It was so freaking cool. Da-da, 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 da-da. All right. Well, I guess if no questions, here we go. Filio, yesterday was absolutely crazy. Wasn't it nice? I haven't traded an open in a long time. Love it. I miss it, actually. It's so exciting. So exciting. I just can't take it. Could be a lunatic you're looking for. Let's see. Da, 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 da. We need 1630. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. All right, here we go. There we are. All right, I'm going to mark this. This is market open line right here. Okay, I'm going to spread that out a little bit. We're on the 1 minute chart, US 30. Market opens at 16:30 Forex time, or 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, so let's go back and look. I drew this out before, way back here, before market open. I said, hey, hope it dips down. Once it dips down, we're going to play it on the way up. So I drew this out. Anybody here remember me drawing this out? Yes or no? Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Larry Cooper. I know you were here, Larry. Larry says yes. So I drew that. I said, I hope one of them does it, probably two. I think I specifically said SPX was the better of the three to do it. And I think also NAS looked really good. So yeah, thank you, Larry. You're speaking up. Appreciate that, my friend. Guess no one else is here. Thank you, Neville. Good morning, Neville. All right. So yes, this is US 30. This is a time period. This is the drawing I made yesterday. This is yesterday we're talking about. So let's put this back down here for a second. Now look, right here, you're going to see this pink line. This, well, I guess, is that supposed to be red? Well, whatever color that is. It's pink, it looks like. I have no idea why my things are such pink. Anyways, got that, Naz. Good job there. So this is US 30, and you can see this is the candle on a 1 minute line that dipped all the way down here. I said, if we're lucky, we'll get it down to the 30-second blue line, blah, 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 and it did. And all of them did this. So watch. This is going to be US 30. Let's go over to NAS. We're going to have to go back a ways. Hold on. This is it, I'm sure, right here. Da, 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 da. Again, you can see the pink dip down, and this is SPX itself right here. I'm sure it's back here too. Look at how gorgeous this is. Yep, right there at 6:30. So usually I get it right. I'll get two or one of them to do it. They'll do the little dip, but all three of them did it yesterday. So they dipped down for a minute, 30 seconds. Perfectly. Exactly what we wanted to have happen. Now, why did I want that? Some of you might be wondering. Let's take a look. Before that market opened, the candles were too far away on the 15-minute and 1 hour for SPX, NAS. They were just way up here. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see this. They were up here, and I wanted them to be down here by our lines. So once it slipped down, right, before market open, then I said, oh, okay, now we got you. So now you just have to wait for the better setup of everything, I guess you should say. Some of you rush in blindly. You don't pay attention to anything. This pull down right here. And how do we represent it? Look, this is Sniper Trading 101. Blue line high, pink line low. Fill in the gap trade right here. So that's on NAS. Let's go back. Which was a little bit more like the thing when we did these. Right here again. Blue line high, pink line low, Sniper again. 1 minute. And this will be SPX. See? Blue line high, pink line low again. And there you go. So my the trading I've done for 9-10 years, instincts told me what to look for. The sniper showed you exactly what was going to happen. Henceforth, why I always say I would sell my car. I think one of our members did that. And I would pay $150 a month sniper is what the cost is to have. This is invaluable right here. See our logo formed once, twice, poof, and I'll go over the logo too, but that's why. So we're able to play the down. As soon as it went down low enough, I said, buy, 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 buy. And I wasn't doing an NSYNC song. I was actually trying to tell you guys what to do for demo trade only. This is the trade I still have open from there. This started as a $57 account last Monday. We have a trade from last week still open. My other one closed $82. So we've taken a $50 account and made it into a $300. Actually, it was a $400 account. I didn't close those trades. I let it stay open. And that's how that worked out. So again, just follow the rules that you have. And it's really not a complicated, it is tricky to catch. That's why we have these signals I'm going to go over with you. But the reality is it isn't that hard. You guys can all do this. You can clearly see, matter of fact, this is going to be called out now on our new machine gun Hydra signals. What's up? Blue Tide Acrylics. All right, does everybody understand how that call was made live? 7s for yeses, 9s for nos. Clearly see blue line high, pink line low. Buy, stop all 3 indices. What's up, Kim, the candle envy lady? Good morning, Kim. What's up, Nadala? What's up, John C? Thank you guys on TikTok. There's only a few of you, but you all are answering. Appreciate that. Anybody on YouTube? 7s, you understand what I just went over, or 9s, you don't? Because it's hard, really hard in the middle of a open. Things are moving super fast. Candles are anywhere from 5 to 10 times the normal volume. It's hard to get these trades correct. And then try trading live in front of hundreds and hundreds of people. I love it, though. I think it's thrilling. Thank you, Tracy Ann. Thank you, Larry, for being on both. Larry's answering on both. God bless Larry. Larry, why are you not a fucking thing? Hold on. Arise, Sir Larry Cooper. You are now a moderator on YouTube. You have the blue wrench. I'm on TikTok. It's better. I agree. TikTok is way faster. Thank you, Jacob, for responding on both and being on both. All right. So with that in mind, that is how we made the trade yesterday. And it sounds easy and it seems easy, and then everybody screws it up. So then what did I do? I said, well, okay, since everybody's screwing it up, let's see if I can, hold on. Let's see if I can make it so we can have signals on these levels. And let's see what we did. Let's see what we did. It is so cool. So the signals, yep, there we go, are now coded, not released yet. It probably won't be released till June, but are now coded to run and work on the hourly. See these buys it was calling? 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute. So now we have the signals being called on the 32nd, eventually you guys will have this being tweaked a little bit. So currently we have the daily, hourly signals being called. Okay. Machine gun first, letting you know ahead of time, and then, of course, the actual signal. And then we now have the hourly 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute signals that have been coded. Lord willing, we're going to have the weekly, daily, and monthly, weekly. So then on any time period from 30-second to monthly, you'll have a correct signal. If it is to be called, it will call it. All these are free upgrades. There's no charges for any of this. So if you're in the $150 a month, you'll have the signals automatically sent to the Discord, or the $250 a month, 5 or 10. What does that mean? If this is a machine gun signal for FX majors, which it is, when there's a signal that comes out, you're going to see a machine gun signal down here. It'll come up. It'll say something like this. Hey, possible demo machine gun signal alerting you, a pre-alert for your EUR CHF. It'll look just like that. And then when the next signal comes, which will either be a 5, 10, 15 minute, 30 minute signal, once that signal fires, it'll come right back into this room also. So isn't that wild? I think it's fucking amazing. Now, if you have the tier 3, $350 a month one, that tier 3 one, you actually get this to install on any symbol you want to trade. You literally can click on and off whichever ones you want to see. And this will be put on your own computer. And these signals right here, I'm telling you, these are the hourly 30 seconds and so on. You're going to say, oh, well, this one missed, this one missed. It's not the later ones you take. It's the first 1 or 2 on this one. I have to figure that out for you guys, that you'll take. And it's on every symbol. It'll work. Look at this shit. When the proper setup is with the hourly. Let me see over here for you. And then when you see this hourly right here, it's just crazy what you'll be seeing. Oh, we can't go back that far. We'll have to go to another one. Let me see gold. Seconds and 30 seconds, they don't give you a lot. You can see the machine guns are so fun. The gold one right here, here's a machine gun. It's a long one. Yeah, I can't go back that far. We can pull up the hourly over here, though, and see. Look at how many. Because watch what it's going to do. Are you going to? Are you? Look at them all. Holy shit. That is crazy. Oh, no drawings. Okay. And we have different colors now, too. That whole block of green. Look, the blues right here. Buy, buy, buy. Before it goes off. Yeah, they're not going to miss. And don't worry, we have the rules for all the setups. So this is crazy accurate. Are you going there? Are you? So you're going to have, you currently have signals for daily 1 hour. Those will be May the 14th. I'm sure a week, maybe 2 later, it's June 1st. You'll have 1 hour, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute signals, all of which, well, I know the daily 1 hours can't miss. It just won't. So you guys can, whatever you think of the signals, but it's not going to. Craziest shit on earth. Craziest shit on earth. Let's take these. Yeah, let's take these ones off. And these are the signals you want to see. when these fire off, might as well just start backing up the Brinks truck because look at them all. See, you could take literally on this trade like 15 to 20 different signals and still be correct. Just wild to me. So anyhow, that's the signals. Anybody have any questions over the signal service? Because I'm going to move on to the rules. Any questions on the signal service? Thank you, Larry, by the system. Appreciate that, sir. Please speak up now. Any questions over the signal service? Any questions over any of the signal calls? Oh, wait. My brother's birthday. Da 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 da. Okay. No questions over the signal service. Let's move on. So, one of the things people worry about when they buy the system, am I going to be left alone? Hell fucking no. What does the blue one mean? Oh, Kim asked a question. Sorry, Kim. Let's go back to that. The blue signals are the new 15-second. Here, these ones right here that you see mixed in here. These blue ones are the, and the orange ones are the sells. But these are the new color for the buys on the 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute trades. So just to differentiate them, that's all. They'll be the buys. Don't worry, that's not coming yet. But I'm telling you, what you guys can do, because maybe I didn't make this clear enough, is you can literally take this signal right here in EUR, USF, you go check it. It's a secondary signal. We should go to ERU. Let me see this. Hold on. Let's go fooling around. Let's go over to EUR, CHF. We'll go to Oyanda, right? Perfect. Pop, pop, pop. Now, we go over here. The signal was called out on, in this particular case, and he should put that a little better on there. This is called a daily signal. So we have to go over to the daily charts, and then we're going to come over to here. This is how easy. This is why this is set up for beginners now. This is set up for just unbelievable. All right, so it's calling for a daily buy, and we can clearly see that the first time it happened was here. Second time it happened was here, called out correctly, by the way, each time. And then so on. So third, fourth, this is like the fifth time, but I still say this is a buy. So we can clearly see this is a fill in the gap buy, green, 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 a space right here. So you can go ahead and do a market order on EUR, CHF, right? You can do a market order on it right when that symbol comes out if it's a buy. Or you just wait for the next signal to come out on this exact symbol. So this is the daily one. When it's correct, we'll go back to one of these early ones. When it's correct, you're going to see, look at this shit. This is so fucking cool. So you can trade from signal to signal. That's how how simplified I made it. Oh, screw it. I made it idiot proof. Look, this signal comes out. You wait for one of these first three signals to come in, because this is where the buy is, right here. First time it happened, called out by the system, is right here. Then you wait for one of these signals to come out, and they will not miss. Make sure you're trading demo money, but I'm telling you, there it is. You're welcome, Filio. It's good, bye. It says November 20th. Jay, it's only gotten better, my brother, but thanks for speaking up. Yeah, look, this is crazy. See, back then, Jay, we didn't have signals. Now, this signal will come out. It'll be announced right here, just like it did, EUR, UHF. Once the next signal comes out, which will be the actual one of these suckers, you can trade signal to signal. And if the signals don't come out on the 1 hour, right? These are your 1 hour ones. If they don't come up, that means it's not a good trade and you won't take anything. So even though it called this one, you can wait for the next signal on EUR, CHF, and it will say daily, hourly, whichever. In this case, it'd be like probably a 5 minute, I guess. They're usually 5 or 10 minutes first right here. Yeah. So this is your grouping. But yeah, back in November, we didn't have this. We were just starting the normal signals, which were 65 and 0. But these, see, there you go. 5 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour. These first 3 signals you can do market orders with, Kim. So it's insane. And look how much. This is insanity what you're looking at. So yeah, it was very hard for Keith to code the way I trade, because we couldn't get, because of the limitations of TradingView's stupid Pine script. It's silly. They have so many limitations, but he couldn't get the, he had to rebuild everything to make it work, and he did. And now you guys are reaping the benefit of the way I trade, the exact way I trade. You're welcome, Kim. All right, so again, I'm going to go on to the rules, but this is just, as Kim was asking, you can literally trade, to be clear now, everybody watching, all beginners, all experts, everybody thinks they know what they're doing or not doing. You can literally trade from one signal, enter in on the next signal, and you have, the only time there was any losses in about 20 different, we went back 2 years on 14 symbols, but we were up to like 20 now, was 2 break-evens-ish, slight loss maybe on sells on just 2 symbols. So you have a really good win probability on this one, like 99 out of 100. Precious. I hope that's clear that you guys, your days of guessing or hoping, you can use it as confirmation. So many people in the signal room over here, right here. It's just, nope, wrong one, right here. Kim took a signal, didn't even play it the right way, and she made 50 pips on accident because the signal is that clear and that good. I don't even have Hydra on my chart yet. We need to help her install that. But there you go. The signals are that good. Kimberly Harrington, literally Kim the Gold Queen, made a mistake and still made money. Good morning, JTF6. Oh, yeah, he's here. Happy birthday, Mike. Yep. What's up, Dad Bod? Good morning, Shash, and God bless each and every one of you, and God bless Shash, too. So it's so funny. You can just trade signal to signal, and you only have to just basically verify that somehow the code hasn't fucked up and called a buy when it's really a sell or something. That's all. It's that accurate. Unless there's some kind of technical glitch, these will be the correct calls for you guys. 12 thumbs up. JTF6. I love when he's here. He's a very positive person, and he kind of motivates people. All right. So that's the signal stuff. Does anybody else have any other questions over the signals and how they work or how they're coming along? I don't know if JTF6 heard it or Shash, but the signals will be calling out 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute trades, along with the hourly 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute hourly trades off the daily. Then we're going to have a program for weekly, daily. Then we're going to have programmed for monthly, weekly. And then all the machine gun Hydra trades would be complete. Signals would be complete at that time. These are all free upgrades. No, you don't have to pay for any of this. Once you're in the system and you're in one of the signal rooms, these will be just added in. If you're in tier 3, you'll be getting these actually on your chart to play around with and have fun with. Look at them all. Pop, 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 win. Pop, 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 win. Look at that shit. I don't even know what EUR or CHF is. Euro, and that's a win too, even though it doesn't look like absolutely it is. Look at them all on the way up. Pop, 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 pop. Fucking amazing. Amazing. Never even looked at this symbol until right now. What's up, Juron? How much is the machine gun? The machine gun and the thing are depending. You can get any one of the rooms. $150 a month to $350. $150 a month Tier 1 gets you 5 signals. Tier 2 gets you 10 signals a month up to, and Tier 3 gets you unlimited signals per month for $350 a month. So it depends on what your budget is and what you can spend. JTF says we are blessed. I'm going to go ahead and say, yeah, this is a huge blessing. To think that the signals that were 65-0, I think at last count, have been improved and improved immensely. All because I was able to see that there was these patterns of every time. Look, and it does sells 2, just so we're clear. Those are the red things. So when these are called, the first 3 are called, hell, the first 15 are called, it just automatically makes you money. Yes, there'll be some drawdowns on these 1 hours, but if you go down to the 15 seconders, 30 seconders, it's a whole different ball of wax down here. You could really enter into trades down here on the 15-second level that it is totally different than what you're look at that shit. Than what you're used to trading. You'll have very little drawdown if you play, especially if you enter off the rules. I'm saying you just do market orders, but if you actually follow the rules, you probably have 0 drawdown, which I know is so important for so many of you. Here we go, right here. So this would be a buy stop, boom. Buy stop, buy stop. See this buy stop right before it goes up, before it goes up, before it goes up. And these are 1 minute, seconds. So this is 30 seconds, probably 30 second. So you're playing down here in the quantum level, I call it. And that's what these are. Look at how we can call that out. Those are automatically generated. Fucking cool as shit. What symbols? The symbols that we're providing you are these symbols. These ones. You're going to get signal callouts on over 50 different machine gun Hydra callouts and over 50 different symbols. And here's some. The majors right here. The crosses right there. The indices, all those indices. Energy, all those metals, all the cryptos, all these stocks. But if you pay the $350 a month for tier 3, this one right here, you can put it on any symbol you want. Over 1,000 different symbols it works on. Anything you can chart on TradingView it works on. Jacob, last name, I'm so glad I came across Kevin on TikTok. Yay, me too, Jacob. Okay, all clear. Thanks. You're welcome, Jordan. All right, so now I'm going to go back to the rules if you guys are okay with the signals. So imagine, while there's still people teaching the outdated support and resistance, supply and demand, look to the left, Fibonacci, when all these guys are out there teaching that old-fashioned way of trading, they could literally come into here and be told when to take your demo trades. And I guarantee you, well, let's rephrase that. I promise you that we have a better than a 64% win rate that professional traders have. And I will say 100% guarantee you these signals will call out better than the 1% win rate that every retail trader has. It's the silliest thing I ever heard. Fibonacci retracements and fibs are only correct 1% of the time. Looking to the left, ascending and descending wedges, trend trading, volume, block trading, they're right 1% of the time. This system is, you'll see. You guys are in the ground floor. I'm telling you, I haven't even advertised this. I haven't put this out anywhere. All the amazing success we've had is from word of mouth from you guys. because I only want us to get up to 150. We're at like 62 or 68 people in tier 3. We're going to go up to 150, and that's that. Then we'll have close the group down to private group only. And then once that happens, probably once every 6 months or so, open the group up and allow it to have a few more members. So you guys, who's ever in tier 3, tier 1, and tier 2 is on ground floor of this thing. This is changing trading. I don't give a fuck what anyone tells you. I lost $26,500 over 5 years trying all the other bullshit. So I made the system because I was sick of losing every fucking trade I lost. Tell me that Fibonacci retracement works. I tried it on gold and NAS for a year and a half. Didn't fucking work. Pile of shit fucking weights. Fibonacci comes from nature. Kind of moron decided to take a Fibonacci, beautiful little, all the mathematical stuff for Fibonacci from nature, flower petals and shell patterns, and then apply it to trading. Who the fuck? Brainless. Wow, whatever. Zoom out when in doubt. There you go, JTF6. Blue tie, blue, pink, purple. There you go. That sniper is deadly. I know it is silly. You're right. And it works on any symbol you put it on. You can trade options. You can trade futures. You can trade, gold, metals, oils. Hell, my brother was trading wheat or some shit. I have no idea. But he was trading it. Anything you can chart on, and suppose there's over 1,000 different symbols. I think there's a lot of repetitiveness in that. But 1,000 different symbols, it'll work on. So we have 3 different optional add-ons. You can just get the system, $575 a year. Works perfectly. The system's what's inside of here. This stuff right in there is your system. If you want the sniper, it includes the blue thing for $150 a month extra. If you want the scanner and the scanner rooms, that varies from $150, well, actually $50 a month to $350 a month. And that's our signal tiers also included. All right, so let's get out of there. Let's go back to the rules. So is that it? Anybody else has any questions on the... So yeah, I love how I block everything I possibly can on TikTok regarding trading because I want no part of them. But go ahead, and if anybody wants to call in, anybody wants to debate, anybody wants to come in and say something negative and say this wasn't a buy stop automatically called if you followed the rules and went straight up, I don't see how they can do that. But if you want to do that, feel free. I've always had an open mic for the 2 years I've been live on TikTok, and a year and a half I've been live on YouTube. Anybody wants to say anything negative, call in. Don't be shy. My little speaker thing isn't working, but I can still hold you up to the microphone. Why you see no one debunking the system is A, they're not smart enough. Correct, Filio. Same boat, lost thousands. Have to clear your mind and trust it once you learn it. Absolutely. The haters are funny. I know, right, Larry? It's crazy because they're too dumb to understand that this is a new way of trading. Well, this isn't support and resistance, and this isn't Fibonacci. I had one of our members paid for the system and tried to defend Fibonacci retracements years ago. I was laughing my ass off. I go, no, the fuck it is. It doesn't work. Doesn't work. Well, 61.3. I know all the fucking numbers, and it doesn't fucking work. So yeah, I don't know. People are nutty. What the problem is, they can't handle the fact. They can't handle the fact that the old ways suck. They just can't handle it. They just can't handle the fact that the old ways are wrong 99% of the time. They can't do it. It irks them to their core. Right here. Start Google search. First Google search. This is what kills them. 97% of day traders lose money over time, and less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. Less than 1% of retail day traders are actually profitable. 64% of professional traders are on a yearly basis profitable, which sucks ass, by the way. That means they win 6 out of 10 trades. My ass. I would have closed down the signal service if we were only won 6 out of 10 trades. Not putting my name on something that shitty. I was expecting fully an 80 to 90%. The last count we had was 65, 63-0, whatever it was. 65 wins, 0 losses, about 5 pass-throughs where it didn't come through. Yeah, it was. Mr. C loves those 5-minute goals in the morning before market open. Mr. C, good morning, Mr. C. Well, come on here and say, yeah, I made money on that 5-minute goal. And he's right. And it's there. And he makes money every fucking morning. Yeah, we went over the trade from yesterday, how I was able to make out the call outs this morning. Then we went over some of the signal stuff. And now we're just going to go over the rules. That's funny. So where were we? So yeah, we're going over the rules now. There's so much BS out there. You're the real deal. Get on board, folks. You won't be sorry. Thank you, Mr. C. Good morning, Kevin. Sorry I'm late. Thanks for taking it. Stop, Mr. C. You're funny. All right. So yeah. So the rules. How was I able to make a signal service and Keith code it and Bree helped with all the details of everything? How were we able to make a signal service where you can trade one signal gives you alert before a pre-signal? Listen to what I'm telling you. It's a pre-signal. This signal right here is, you can trade it if you want, but this is a pre-signal alerting to you that all these other trades are about to happen right here. So get that. So how was I able to code this? Well, I can code shit. Thank God for Keith, right? Keith Palmer, please give him a big thank you. He's the one who coded it. I can trade it. I know what the fuck I'm looking for, but me trying to code something, no, that is not occurring. So you guys can thank Keith for that. So how are we able to do that? Because of these rules. The rules are updated. Print them again, print them every day. I should put that in there as a rule. Have fun with these because this is the Hydra. So you have Hydra signals. You can play with them and set them up the way you want to trade. Zuko. Does anyone get that reference? Uncle Iroh talking to Zuko. You guys probably never watched Avatar. Never mind. Okay. So why are you so angry, Zuko? Because, look, the Hydra set up. I give you exact ways to set it up and use it, but there's more than one way. You might find out on oil that it's set up a different way. You on tier 3, you're going to have this. You have not gonna 60-something of you have this exact indicator in the palm of your hands. You can turn this off, that on, this off, this off, this on, this. You can do anything you want with it. It's powerful. I'm using it one way because I know how I trade and it's very successful. Some of you might find another way. Matter of fact, I know Peter P. has a different spin on it for the secondary ones, for the 30-second, 15-second. Not wrong, just different. That's all. So that's rule number 2. Have fun, play with it, see what works. Okay? If you need help, don't email us first. Go through your rules, go through the Discord. We literally have a help Discord channel. It literally says learning room. I should rename that to help. And they ask questions in there. Beautiful little picture, actually. Jimmy. Okay? You can, if someone tries every week, they'll say, oh, what does TradingView do with, I don't know what fucking TradingView does. Google it. Google's your friend. Before you email us, go through all those things. Don't email us, please. Hundreds of you now. Hydra. how to trade weekly, daily Hydra signals. And it tells you what to do. Oh, we ate up NFP the other week. That last Tuesday or something? I don't know what day it was. Have your weekly chart open. It tells you exactly how to set up your charts. Someone asked on a live, how do you set up the charts? How do you fucking set up the charts? They're right here, how to set up the charts. What's up, Shiraz? Right here is how you set up your charts for weekly, daily. It tells you for entrances. It shows you on a video. How do you trade daily 4 hour? Gee, I don't know. Follow the fucking rules. It tells you. What these rules are is what calls out these discord signals that are so fucking accurate. So if you want to trade, just follow these. These are your order of operations that these discord signals are coming from. Order of operations, calling out through Zapier into the Discord. Order of operations, meaning what to do step by step. That's how these signals are generated from these rules. How do you trade a 4 hour, 1 hour? Here's the 4 hour, 1 hour, what to do to set up. Hydra set up in training video. Here's your Hydra, how to set it up. Another installation video. So here's how to set it up again for Hydra. 2 of them. How to set TradingView alerts. I have no idea. This was made by Keith. This is Keith right here. Correct, ATF6. And boy, the money. I love when he's around. All right. Extremely important trading rule. Demo. Buy stops are on the top left. Sell stops are on the left and under. It's right here in this video. It's so important trading rule. I made it its own rule. That's how you can tell if you're in the right trade. For instance, let's just go to a daily. And if it's calling the right thing for a daily, you can know instantaneously. For instance, see how the price came up and over, came back down here. You might need to zoom in. There you go. Price came up and over. I'll draw our logo for you. Look. Price started under, came up, challenged, came back, challenged, came back, challenged, came back, challenged. So it's always, see how it's always to the left. It's not under. Price isn't under these EMAs right here. It's over it. These are buy stops. When it's under it, like over here, you'll see sell stops. See, price comes under it. That's a huge distinction. 7 of you guys follow that. This is used for anybody. Anybody out there that's trading can use this knowledge free. You're welcome. Price starts above, comes back down, and goes down. If it's the opposite right here, price comes above it and comes down, comes back up, comes back down, comes back up. Does everybody see that? Yes or no? 7s for thank you, Larry. Thank you, Nadal. It's that easy, but I know it's tricky. See, the first time it happened, that's why this is calling this out right here. First time. It's that important, though. Honestly, I wouldn't waste my time talking about it and writing out if it wasn't that important. Oh, good. So no 9s out there. Good. All right. Step 1, gold. Demo, buy stop example. Any 2 time frames. That's what we use. 2 time frames. Weekly, daily, daily 4 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, and so on. This is a 1 hour example. And I walk you through it. And I give you a video on it. Step 2. It's 15-minute 1 hour is what it is. This is 1 hour, 15 minute. And now that these are rules, by the way, that's what these 1 hour call outs are. So when you see these 1 hour call outs, let me show you what I mean. This grouping right here, all these green signals here and here that are correct are called out because of these 2 rules, step 1 and step 2. All these rules are order of operations. These rules call out these signals. These rules call out these signals. These rules call out these signals. Everybody understand that, yes or no? Aw, precious. Aw, precious. How sweet. Everybody get it? Yes, says Larry. And I have a feeling this is why Larry's successful. Larry answers, I think, every time he's around, every question. I know some of you are working, some of you are driving. I get that. Some of you are in family. You're just trying to listen the best you can. But the more you participate, sure, whatever. For me, I don't give two fucks, whatever, but it's nice. But for you, yeah, it'll help you guys start to learn the system even better. It will. Just saying. All right. So that's your hourly, your 15-minute gold, trade entries, almost to the point of not being needed at this point. Because once you get the discord one out, right, this one, you wait for the second discord one, which will say 5 minute, 3 minute. It'll tell you which one. Then you can do a market order. I got to write that to Keith, by the way. Okay, got it. I'm at work. See? He's at work still doing it. There you go. All right. How to exactly trade a signal. That seems pretty good. Must watch this video over and over again. This is the first signal that went out. W's and M's. So many people ask about that. I even teach you about those. They're not that important, but they do follow. They do form. Trading rules specific. Trading rules for beginners. All of these trading rules, I got to be honest with you at this point. How to set up your charts. How to set up your charts. These are upcoming possible things. This one's already been done. This was possible like 3 weeks ago. Now it's finished. The Hydra machine gun is done. The H&H scanner will be coming up. The Holy Grail trades will be coming out. All free of charge. Free upgrades for those of you in the signals. Good morning, Jen. What's up, Jen? Just reviewing the rules. So yeah, today we went over how and why I took the trades yesterday, how I turned that $57 account into $400 or $300 and whatever now in a week. So you can start trading with $57 in your account. How do I know? We just did it. Then we went over the signals, how incredible you can literally trade without all these different rules and me trying to explain everything to you is programmed into the signals. So this is the ERU CHF one that just happened yesterday. You can just take the market order if it was a buy, which it was on the daily over here. It's a buy, right? Actually not a bad entry either. Or you can wait for the 1 hour signals to come up. When the 1 hour signals come up to you, they will look just like this, and they'll be called out right in that same room for you, and you'll see the secondaries. It'll be 1 hour, 15-minute, whatever it's going to be. It'll be saying right on here. So there you go. So all these rules are programmed into the signal service. All of these rules are programmed into the signal service to help you guys, desperately trying to help you guys make money with the system. Riddell, message retracted. Okay, whatever, I didn't see it. All right, does anybody have any questions over the rules? Anybody have any questions over what we went over today? The signals. Why I took the trades I did. How I entered the trades. How I was able to call out yesterday and draw out the market open for all three indices. Ask now. I actually have time this morning. Jen, any questions? Larry, any questions? Neville, any questions? Filio, any questions? Riddell, any questions? Where has Robel been? Huh. Where's he been? He was doing so good. Gosh, every trade he made, he was making fucking money on. All right. I think I'm golden. I don't think there's anything left to talk about that's in. Well, I already talked about that too. We're giving you a free upgrade on who's ever in the signal service to not just the Hydra, the machine gun Hydra trades aren't going to just work for the hourly. We've made them work now on the 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute time frames also. That's going to be, we haven't even given you the first free upgrade, which is 514. You'll be able to get it on your chart 6-1, so don't ask. But by 6-1, we should have the secondary also. And then we're going to have the weekly dailies, the monthly weeklies. Those will all be done free for you guys too. Hopefully it turns into a money printing machine for you guys, praying. At least a demo one. All right, TikTok. Nothing else? I'm going to go ahead and sign off of TikTok and head over to YouTube for a minute. TikTok, any other questions? Going once. God bless you all. Have a nice, beautiful weekend. TikTok, any questions? Going twice. I just hope you have the best weekend ever. Be thankful to God for every second we have above ground. Be thankful for God for everything. That's funny. All right. Have a great weekend, Lyric. God bless you all on TikTok. YouTube, any questions, YouTubers? Any questions on YouTube? Pulling up over here so I can talk freer. Thank you, Jacob, and for all your cool stuff you make for us. Appreciate you. You're welcome, Neville. Blue Tide Acrylics, great. He sells the stuff. He'll make you a plaque if you want. Make you a cool little light up neon signs you see. Fantastic. Well, he's just a good man. All right, YouTubers, God bless y'all. Have a great weekend. I doubt I'll be on again today. Maybe tomorrow, just for shits and giggles, I'll come on. We'll see. All right, God bless y'all. Have a great weekend, everybody.